right, so continuing with our information about oblique triangles, we're going to learn the law of sines, which is the slightly easier to remember of the two laws. So I've drawn some random oblique triangle here with an A, B, and C capital letters as my angles and lowercase a, b, and c as the sides. Remember from the last video that side A, side lowercase a, should be opposite from angle A. Angle B is opposite little side B, right? Angle C is opposite little side C. So the law of sines can be written in one of two ways. In the textbook that I generally use in my class, it is section 6.1. That's going to depend on different classes, and you could be watching this video from any teacher's class. So the law of sines says that the sine of angle A over side A, so the ratio of the sine of A to the side little a, is equal to the ratio of sine of big B over little b is equal to the ratio of sine of big C over little c. Or if you wanted to flip all of those fractions, the reciprocal of this statement would be that A over sine of big A equals B over sine of big B equals C over sine of big C, right? So that's my law of sines. So this lets us solve a triangle because if we know, for instance, little a and big A, and we know, let's say, little b but not big B, we can find big B by using a ratio of little a to sine A equals little b to sine B. So that's going to be the first step in solving one of these non-right or oblique triangles. Sometimes we can't use the law of sines, and we'll talk about that in a second, and that's when we look at the law of cosines.